Hey everyone, my name is McKenna Sindlar. I am currently in the traditional BSN nursing program here at Methodist, and here's a little bit about me. So I'm from Papillion, Nebraska. I've been here all my life. In 2019, I graduated from Papillion La Vista South High School, and I went to Lincoln at UNL for from 2019 to 2021, where I just got most of my prerequisites, and then I moved back home to Omaha to go here at Methodist. The leader that I chose to cover as my favorite leader would have to be Ruth Bader Ginsburg. She was the second woman to ever serve on the Supreme Court bench. She got served in 1993, and before that, in the 70s, she was a volunteer attorney in the American Civil Liberties Union, and she fought for equality, gender equality, and also for women's rights throughout her time on the Supreme Court and beforehand. She fought for both like pay wage gaps and also advocated for men as well for discrimination against men and like a woman dominated job. I think I really admired her work because she was a big figure that led change slowly but steady to create equality for men and women that we see to this day. And one of my favorite quotes from her is, "Whatever you choose to do, leave tracks. That means don't do it for yourself. You will want to leave a world a little better for your having lived." And I think she's just an influential leader, really showing that there can be equality in this world, and that with a little bit of effort and empathy from all, that we can live in a better world. So yeah, I think we can all learn from Ruth and her leadership. Thank you.